Want to find Shein item number product code? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Shein app, or if you don't have the app, open up any web browser and head over to Shein.com. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now you want to open up any item that you want. You can also tap on the search bar and simply search for the item. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you want to find the item number, it's a very easy process. All you want to do is scroll down, find the option of description. Go ahead and select that. You will find different descriptions over here, such as type, pattern type, details, style, color. At the end, you have the SKU. This is your item number. Go ahead and tap on the copy option. Once you copy it, you can paste it wherever you want, and this is how you can easily find Shein item number or product code. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.